Let's talk about Kotlin. It's known for clean code, but it has a surprising performance secret.
Okay, let's kick things off with a classic coding problem, finding a duplicate in an array. Sounds simple, right? So if you have an array like this one with 2 3s, you'd expect it to return true. The old school way is brute force. You just loop and loop. It gets the job done, but man, it's slow. But what about Kotlin? Let's see how a modern language tackles this same exact problem. Whoa, look at that. Instead of all those loops, Kotlin nails it in just one clean line of code. And that's not the only way. Kotlin gives you a bunch of these slick one-liners for data problems. So why is the code so much cleaner? It's not just about being short. It's about the philosophy.
See, Kotlin is all about safety, being concise, and immutability. It was built to fix Java's old problems. And this foundation, it's what lets you build modern apps that are actually easy to read and maintain. So you'd think, right? Cleaner, more modern code has to be faster. But is it really?
Well, one developer was sure it was, until he actually ran the benchmarks, and the results were surprising. He was looking at collections versus sequences. Sequences are supposed to be more efficient for chained operations. Get this, for simple stuff, the standard way was actually 9% faster, not what you'd expect. And when things got more complex, that gap got way bigger. Sequences were a whopping 45% slower. So what's going on? It's the overhead. All those function calls for each iter just slow things down. It's a perfect lesson for developers, right? Don't just assume something's better. You have to measure it. So you've got a trade-off. Kotlin gives you readability and safety, but it might not be the absolute fastest.
Which brings us to the big question. What's more important for you, raw speed or code a human can read in a second?